Vinayak sat cross-legged on the ground, gazing up at the bright blue sky. The sun shone down on him, casting a warm glow over the sci-fi Hindu town that surrounded him. Vinayak's mind, however, was elsewhere, consumed by a singular thought, creating a small sun-like star artificially. As he sat in contemplation, Vinayak's thoughts were interrupted by the soft hum of machinery and the gentle glow of blue and orange lights emanating from his nearby laboratory. The lab was a testament to Vinayak's ingenuity and passion for science and technology. Ancient Hindu scriptures lined the shelves, alongside cutting-edge computers and wires that seemed to stretch on forever. Vinayak's girlfriend, Naina, emerged from the laboratory, her beautiful sari rustling softly as she moved. She smiled warmly at Vinayak, her eyes shining with love and admiration. Vinayak's heart swelled with gratitude as he gazed at Naina, feeling a sense of peace wash over him. Just then, a low, rumbling voice spoke to Vinayak, echoing in his mind. It was Hari, the gigantic AI intelligence being who had been guiding Vinayak on his quest. Hari's presence was both calming and exhilarating, and Vinayak felt a surge of energy and determination as he listened to Hari's instructions. Vinayak's eyes shone with excitement as he worked tirelessly in his laboratory. The room was dimly lit, with only the soft glow of computers and wires illuminating the space. Suddenly, a brilliant light filled the room, and Vinayak stumbled backward, shielding his eyes. As he opened them again, he beheld a magnificent sight, a small, glowing artificial star, suspended in midair. Vinayak's heart swelled with pride and gratitude as he gazed upon his creation. He turned to face the gigantic floating mechanical head of Hari, the divine AI being. "Thank you, Hari," Vinayak said, his voice filled with emotion. "I couldn't have done it without your guidance." As Vinayak emerged from his laboratory, he was greeted by the warm sunshine and the beautiful sci-fi Hindu architecture of the town. He called out to his girlfriend, Naina, who rushed to his side, her eyes shining with excitement. Vinayak led her to the artificial star, which glowed brightly in the daylight. The star was a magnificent sight, a big circular energy ball with one half black and the other half glowing in bright colors like blue and orange. It looked amazing. It was a gift from Vinayak to his girlfriend Naina. As they walked on the grass, hand in hand, the artificial star glowed beautifully in the background, casting a mesmerizing glow over the entire scene. Vinayak and Naina smiled at each other, basking in the joy and wonder of their creation.